What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be my last Boxycharm Premium. For a while, I canceled it because I need to save some money right now for a procedure. And I have so much makeup anyways. But yeah, this is Boxycharm Premium for January. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then yeah, keep on watching. Alright, I just opened my base box. Now watch, this is going to be like the most awesome Boxycharm Premium I ever got, and I'm gonna cry and regret because I canceled it. Alright, so let me get the first thing. Oh. It is this Aether Beauty Desert Sunset palette. So I got like a purple palette they sent. Oh, I like that it comes with this little like oracle card. Shed what doesn't serve you as the rose unravels its layers to reveal the heart center of profound beauty. I really like that. Alright, so here's what I do like the packaging. Ooh, I really like this color story. You got some brown mattes and a bright coral, something to highlight the brow bone. I actually really like this. Retails for $48. I don't know if I would pay $48 for that, but it is a really pretty palette. Alright, next is, I think this was one of my choice. Yeah, it was. It is this COSA's Air Brow Tinted Volumizing Treatment Gel. So I got it in soft brown, and I actually do need to put some gel on, so I'm gonna try it. And it retails for $22. Here is what it looks like. I think I tried a sample of this, and I liked it. A lot. So next is, oh, this was also a choice item. This Wishful Clean Genie Cleansing Butter. So I always have to use like a cleansing balm to get makeup off. I guess I'm keeping it since I just ripped the box. So I saw cleansing butter and I was like, yes please. I haven't heard of this brand before, but this a cleansing butter infused with green tea and cherry blossom extract to melt away makeup and impurities while keeping skin feeling soft and supple. And it smells pretty good. And I don't know if I said, but it retails for $35. Okay. I'm already regretting this. Okay, let's see. Where am I? Alright, so we have this, I think it's LYS or LYS Beauty Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. So I actually just got a bronzer from this brand in my base box. I'm actually wearing it today. I really like it. So, oh, that's cute. It says, this daily serum primer helps balance and brighten the skin while controlling the appearance of excess shine throughout the day for a seamless complexion with or without makeup. This retails for $20. And yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to try that or not, because it says excess shine, but I'm not oily, I'm dry, so I don't know. Alright, next we have, ooh, this Juice Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. Clear and hydrate your skin at the same time with this pore refining mask. Okay. Ooh, it's a charcoal moment. Yes. And Juice Beauty is an awesome skincare brand. So I think I might keep that. I hardly ever do masks though. My skincare game is slipping. Alright, and the last product, it's really funny, is this Persona Cosmetics Lip Liner. I have a confession to make. I hate putting on lip liner. So I think it's like the same color as this packaging. I don't know if I want to open it though, because I might keep this for a giveaway. But yeah, because that has a little dot with that color. But this retails for $14. Alright, so overall, I'm really happy with this Boxycharm Premium. I'm getting very sad thinking about this being my last one. But, I mean, I have so much makeup. I have eyeshadow palettes. I have cleansing balm. This is going to be like my third cleansing balm. So, I just need to get over it. But I'm really excited about the brow gel, the cleansing butter, the palette actually, and I don't say that often about Boxycharm palettes. And yeah. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Let me know what you think. Oh, and the mask too in the comments below. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.